What is up, YouTube? All right, check it out. I got the Pedal Max. I bought it off a guy on Facebook. He was in one of the groups. Check it out. I'm gonna put it in, install, and see how it goes. Got some various projects going on. Check this out. There it is. 0, 25, 50. 75, 100. It was simple install. So I'm going to hook it up and take it for a test drive. Sorry, phone call. Of course, no change. Doesn't feel any different right now. 0. Gotta get out of my neighborhood. Yeah, buddy. Well, hope you guys are having good holidays. I'm in Texas, so it's doing pretty good. Nice weather. Almost 99% of the people I talk to, look, it doesn't feel like Christmas. Well, it does to me. I got kids and they love it. So, see how it goes. All right, I'm on the back roads. So we're gonna take off on 0. Let me be honest, man, it feels kind of different. I don't know if it's just me. It's better shifting. I don't know if it's supposed to feel like that at 0. Bad boy up to 25. Oh yeah, there's definitely different throttle response. It's not hesitant, you know, like when you press on the gas and it like downshifts and then goes. This one kind of like immediately downshifts and goes, if that makes sense. Yeah, feels pretty good. Yeah, I don't know if it's me, but let's try to turn it up. Oh yeah, dude, I just turned it up to like 60 and like I'm not even pressing the pedal. Watch the speedometer. Like I'm barely pressing the pedal. Oh yeah. Yo, this thing is dope. Yeah, man, if you're on the fence about a Pedal Max or a Pedal Commander, I had a Pedal Commander on my 250. I wasn't gonna do anything to this truck but just change the tires out. But like this is a have to. It definitely feels like a truck. It was kind of hard to make it feel like a truck with this little 2.7, but it does. You can feel the turbo, the lag. Holy moly. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, dope. I like it. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I installed a Pedal Max. Sorry, traffic. I installed a Pedal Max on my 22 Silverado 2.7. Man, this thing is amazing. It's a big difference. I got it off a guy on the Facebook group, one of the Silverado groups. And he said he loved it, but he got a tune. So, but dude, there's like no throttle lag. There's no turbo lag. This thing is amazing. Like, it makes it feel like a whole different truck. So if you're on the fence about getting a Pedal Max or a Pedal Commander or any throttle, dude, I can speak for Pedal Commander and Pedal Max. They do what they're supposed to. Now, of course, it doesn't increase horsepower. It just gets it quicker. So do your research. Definitely need this. I mean, holy crap. It feels like a tune. I've had tunes on my diesels before. The response is insane. It actually makes it feel like a truck. So yeah, shout out to Pedal Max, man. This is an awesome product. Later on today, maybe depending on the weather, we're going to be putting on the wheel spacers. I got 1.5s Mammoth. I already got the 2.5-inch level kit, new tires. So yeah, stay tuned, and like always, show some love, like, comment, or subscribe. And yeah, if you have any questions, man, hit me up, or if you need anything, I can answer some questions or send you some pictures or videos. This thing's cool. All right, happy tuning.